Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these fruitcake cookies. Let's begin. To start on the cookies, grab yourself a bowl and into the bowl place your butter, your light brown sugar and granulated white sugar and beat until they are light and fluffy. Around 5 to 7 minutes will work well. You can then give the bowl a good scraping down just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. You can then go ahead and add in your egg followed by the vanilla and mix this over a low speed to start with, working up to a medium high speed until it's fully incorporated. The consistency of your batter will change and don't worry, this is completely normal. Don't forget to give the bowl a good scraping down just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. You can then go ahead and add in your dry ingredients, which is the flour, baking powder and spices, passing them through a sieve first to remove any lumps, and as you can tell the flour is quite lumpy, so just press them lumps through and they should be fine. You'll then want to add in your fruit as well. Place back on the mixer and just mix on a low speed until a dough has formed. Being careful not to mix it too quickly as it may make the gluten form and it will make for a tougher cookie in the end. You will then want to give the bowl another good scraping down just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. I then transfer the cookie dough from my big bowl into a smaller bowl, cover with cling film and place in the fridge as it was a little bit sticky to work with and I wanted it to firm up a bit, so putting it into the fridge is the best way to do this, and it also helps to mature the dough so it tastes better. Whenever you're ready, you can then take a cookie tray, line it with some parchment, cookie scoop 2 balls of dough up and place them together, roll them between your hands and then place onto a baking tray, and you'll want to repeat this until you've got a full tray full. Keep in mind to leave some space as these do spread while baking. All of the baking times, temperatures and everything else you need to know will be in the blog post, which will be linked down below, so don't forget to check that out. And once they are out of the oven, you'll want to press a glacier cherry half onto each one, followed by some of the dried fruit. Again, this is completely optional, but it just adds to that Christmas element to make it more like a fruit cake in cookie form. So thank you so much for watching, I hope you've enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again tomorrow with another video, so join me then. But in the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description, there'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social media, so don't forget to check them out as I'm uploading more frequently for bakemas. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.